Namaste friends, welcome to another episode of How to Start Freelancing Career on Fiverr. I hope you're doing good. Let's start today's episode.
Please subscribe to stay connected with the Indian Freelancer. Also, click on the bell icon so that you never miss a video.
Today in episode 4 of this series, I'm going to talk about the Fiverr forum. Now, पिछले एपिसोड में हम लोगों ने फाइवर ब्लॉग देखा था और उसमें अलग अलग कैटेगरीज देखे थे जैसे न्यूज़, सक्सेस स्टोरीज एंड पॉडकास्ट. नाउ दिस वन वाज लेफ्ट. इट इज़ नथिंग बट द फाइवर फोरम. So I wanted to talk about the Fiverr forums separately because it has a lot of different information which I wanted to focus on. So in today's episode, we are going to talk about the forum exclusively. So when you go to the Fiverr forum, you land up on a page like this. So I have not logged in. If you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see your username here, and these things may change based on the recent activities. Okay. So when you see the forum, you can see that there are top categories under which you can submit your forum thread. Okay. And these are Fiverr tips, your Fiverr experience, Fiverr site, events, right? Alright. तो यहाँ पे अलग अलग कैटेगरीज है, अलग अलग टॉपिक्स है जहाँ पे आप लोग अपना पोस्ट डाल सकते हो या फिर दूसरों का पोस्ट भी पढ़ सकते हो. ओके. इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ कम्युनिटी वेयर यू हैव बोथ द बायर्स एंड सेलर्स टुगेदर. तो यहाँ पे किसी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना है, कुछ जानना है या फिर कुछ भी ग्रेवियंस है, कुछ शिकायत करना है. ऑल दोज थिंग्स यू कैन पुट ऑन दिस फोरम. I myself have learned a lot of things from the Fiverr forum and it has been a very big help in my career on Fiverr. मैंने यहाँ से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली बहुत पुराने सेलर्स भी हैं, बहुत सारे मॉडरेटर्स हैं, एडमिन्स हैं who run this show on the Fiverr forum and they help you with many things. If you have questions, if you have queries regarding your sales or your analytics or any new update on Fiverr, you can find everything in this forum. अगर आपको कुछ मिलता नहीं है, जो भी डिस्कशन हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो आप अपना भी खुद का थ्रेड यहाँ पे शुरू कर सकते हो जो कि बाकी लोग भी देखेंगे and they will try to answer your queries. Okay, so the latest threads or the latest discussions, whatever is happening on the forum, will show up in this right hand column. So this guy has opened a thread saying I am new in Fiverr and it is listed under your Fiverr experience. Now when I open the thread, I can see the message that he wanted to say. It says, I am completed my first work in Fiverr few days ago. I am very happy. So it was just a message from this guy, MD Tuhin. That's the username. So he says that he has completed the first work, his first work on Fiverr, and he's feeling happy. So after that, you can see people have actually messaged. Okay, these are different sellers and buyers who can come here, see the thread and message, right? So people will also encourage you to do more and it will be a very helpful environment to help each other or inspire each other, right? So this is not the only thing that you have on Fiverr forum. You can also see grievances, right? So let's find something. Okay, see this one. It looks little different. Strange rules of Fiverr. So let's open this and see what the person has written. It says, I made an offer of $5 for one banner, as you can see on the screenshot, and the buyer asked for 4 at the price of 1. So this is a grievance. This is a problem that the seller is facing. The buyer is asking for more work than what it is listed, right? So this kind of issues also you can put up on the forum and the people will actually try to answer you with whatever they know, right? So not only other sellers, you can have moderators also who will be coming and trying to help you. And there are sellers who are working on Fiverr for like 5 to 8 years and they are also on the forum. They are also ready to help whenever it is required. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे आगे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, you can be sure that कोई ना कोई आपको आंसर करेंगे और they will try to assist you to do better on Fiverr. अगर कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है जो आप फेस कर रहे हो, वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस से आपको बता सकते हैं कि ओके, इसके लिए आपको ये करना चाहिए, इसके लिए आपको वैसा करना चाहिए. ओके, The forum overall is a very nice place to be. Stay in this forum for as long as possible. Read out the different threads that people have started. You will know a lot about Fiverr in your initial days. Even if you are a seasoned seller or a buyer on Fiverr and you have a lot of experience, please share your experience with others and help people to grow on Fiverr. ये सिर्फ आपको नहीं बाकियों को हेल्प करने के लिए भी एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. So please use the forum and let me know in your comments whether you have actually enjoyed staying here. In the next episode, I'll actually talk about one of my articles on this forum which has a lot of recognition from all over, and I'll talk about that article. It is about how to get your first order on Fiverr. हम लोग वहाँ से शुरू करेंगे and it will be a very interesting episode. I'm sure about it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done it so far. And if you have liked this video, please give me a like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care, have fun. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer. Bye bye.